In this video, we'll explore how to elevate your photos with text to create a polished, professional look. Start by uploading your photo or image to the Canva workspace and dragging it onto your canvas. To create a copy of your image, use the duplicate option in the editing toolbar, or simply upload the same image again. Place the duplicate on a new page. On page 2, remove the background by selecting the image and clicking Edit in the toolbar. If you don't see Background Remover right away, open the Image drop-down menu under Magic Studio and select Background Remover to eliminate the background. Once the background is removed, download the image from page 2 as a PNG with a transparent background. After downloading, upload the file back into Canva using the Uploads panel. Now, on your original image on page 1, add your text, shadows, and any other design elements to enhance your design. Adjust fonts, colors, and effects to make your text stand out. Next, bring your newly uploaded transparent background image back into the workspace. Align it perfectly over the original photo so it matches seamlessly. This creates a layered effect where your text appears beautifully integrated between the original image and the transparent overlay. The result is a clean, professional design that really looks great. I hope you found this content useful. Thanks for watching.